Zavia School System. Student, I hope you all are happy and healthy at home. Do you know, children, what does it mean of home? One day Armand finished playing with his friend. It is late evening, it is tired. Would you think where he go? Yes, he will go to his home. When we are tired, hungry, and sleepy, we want to go home. We live safely with our family at home, and it protect us from rain, cold, and heat. So we can say home mean where we all live and feel safe, protected, and comfortable. Childrens, you know animals also live in homes like us. First of all, we will know about the homes of domestic animals. Dog lives in kennel. Hen and rooster. Hen and rooster lives in coop. Horse and donkeys lives in stable. Cow and buffaloes are kept at homes and in farms. Sheep are domesticated in farms, they are kept in pens. Bees build their own shelter, which is called beehives. Do you know, children, some animals stay underground? Rabbit lives in burrow. Animal like rats lives in holes, they make holes and hide themselves there. Ants build their own shelter, which is called anthill. Like the domestic animal, wild animals also need home. The jungle is the home of all wild animal. Some animal like monkeys take shelter on the branches of big trees. Squirrel and birds make their shelter in the holes of trees. Spider lives in web. Lion lives in a den. A bear feels safe in cave. They feel protected and safe in the jungle. Some animals lives freely in jungle, like zebra, elephant, and hippopotamus, etc. Some animal lives in water like shark, dolphin, octopus, fishes, other sea animals. Okay, students, see this video repeatedly and learn the lesson properly.